Welcome again to the channel. If you remember the last video, we talked about the razor bill, and we were sketching several of them. Today, I'm going to add color to one of these designs and talk a bit about why I decided to draw this bird as the second page of my bird compendium. Well, there's no denying that this is a bird that catches your eye aesthetically. It has a very clean color scheme, and although it seems simple at first glance, it actually looks like a very elegant bird. At least, that's what I think. In terms of graphic design, observing the natural world is spectacular, and it's really useful, by the way. The choice of colors doesn't just have an aesthetic purpose, it also helps animals, plants, or any other species adapt to their environment. But what does it mean to adapt to their environment? Well, adapting to the environment includes everything. From being able to camouflage properly from predators, to using that advantage to hunt other species, and even to make its presence / image stand out in order to court and help its chicks recognize their parents, and that's a lot. The truth is, if you think about it, talking about the razor bill and its graphic design, oneself might wonder if there's a God out there. In this drawing, the challenge was to give some visual appeal to black and white, and for that, I decided to use different brushes, materials, and textures. As for the tones, I found the best possible variations to create the sensation of volume and realistic lighting, and on top of that, making sure it didn't clash with the overall aesthetic of the bird. It's important to know, though, how to combine the textures used with the colors. That way, you not only find harmony in the drawing, but in this case, you are modeling or sculpting the bird's anatomy with the use of light. If you look at my other videos, you'll notice this is a style I love to use when drawing. I feel like it's very impressionistic in its technique, imagining volumes and shapes from color. I like to say it's sculpting with color. I'm happy because I think I've managed to make it look as I want it, elegant and beautiful. In a certain way, it's as if the beak and the face merge directly into the black, and you can only sense that they are there in their place, but you can only perceive the silhouette of its head. And as a contrast, the white, which suddenly gives it a sense of cleanliness, of light. It has this aura, this noble appearance. Noble is also a reminder that I have an online shop and that you can find the link in the description, where you'll find all the products I'm making for this channel. If you like, you can support this artist and decorate the space of your choice. I've decided to create new content for this channel where you can see the process of my artwork and drawings. And at the same time, hopefully, we can all learn something new about the world around us through art. So, what do you think? Did you already know about the razor bell? Or were you as ignorant as I was? If you liked the video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a big like. Thanks, and see you soon.